Welcome to our next class, students. Today we'll be starting chapter number 14, perimeter of triangles. First question is, state if the triangles are possible with the following angles. See, these angles are given. So children, what we will do in this case, we will add up all the angles. If the sum of all angles is 180 degree, then triangle is possible, otherwise not. Because you know this is angle sum property of triangle, that sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. So this way you have to do, add the angles. In first case the sum is 180 and in the second case it is not 180, so triangle is not possible. Second question, the angles of triangle are equal. All the angles of triangle are equal. Let all the angles be x, x, x and x. So sum of all the angles is equal to 180. Angle sum property. 3x is equal to 180. Take 3 this side. So when you will cancel it, it is equal to 60 degree. So each angle is equal to 60 degree. And you know what kind of triangle it is? It is equilateral triangle. Third question. In triangle ABC, angle A is given 45, B is 70 and you are asked to find C. This is angle sum property. A is given, B is given and C you have to find. What is 45 plus 70? It is 115. Transpose it this side. So C will be equal to 65 degree. Question number 4th. In a triangle, angle A is twice of B. Meaning A depends upon B. So first of all what we'll do? Let B is equal to angle X. Condition is given A is equal to double of B. Double of B means 2 times X. 2X. C is 3 times B. This is also given. So C will be 3x. Now children, we got all the angles in terms of x. A is 2x, B is x and C is 3x. Add all the angles. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6x is equal to 180. So from here, x is equal to 30 degree. Now you can find all the angles. What was A? 2 into x, 2 into 30. B was x only, 30 degree. C was 3 into 30, 90 degrees your answer. Let's discuss question number 5. You are given this triangle. In this triangle, children, these two angles are given and x you have to find out. So what you will do? This plus this is equal to 180 as we did here. 90 plus 30 is 120. So x transpose 120 this side, x is equal to 60 degrees the answer. Next part is, see, all the angles are given in terms of x. So x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangle. So sum of these angles is equal to 9x. X is 20. Now what is angle P? Angle P is 3x. Value of x is 20. 3 into 20 is 60 degree. Q is x, 20 degree. And R is 5x. 5 into 20, 100 degree. Same way children. Third part, you can see here. 90 plus A is equal to 180. A plus A is twice of A. Look here. A plus A is twice of A. Take 90 this side. 180 minus 90 will be 90. So A will be 45 degree. Next, fourth part. 80 plus 20 plus Y is equal to 180. So from there you can easily find the value of Y. Same here. B plus 77 plus 50 degree is equal to 180. And from there easily you can get the value of B. Question number 6 children, you can see this is a triangle whose angles are given x minus 5, x and x plus 5. So let's add all the angles. I wrote here the sum x plus 5, x and x plus 5. It is what? X minus 5, sorry. This angle is x minus 5. So this 5 is negative, this is positive, will get cancelled. X plus x will become 3x is equal to 180. From here x is equal to 60 degree. So beta, A was x minus 5 meaning 60 minus 5, 55 degree. B was x, 60 degree. C is x plus 5, 60 plus 5 is 65 degree is your answer. Next part. In this part what we'll do? 3x plus 9x plus 6x is equal to 180 degree. So 3x plus 9x plus 6x is 180. Sum up it is 18. 80 x is equal to 180 over 18. When you will cancel it, what you will get here? 10. Clear? So A is 3x, 3 into 10, B is 9x, 9 into 10, C is 6x, 6 into 10. Same way, in the third part of this question, angles are given x, 7x plus 30 and 2x. So add all the angles, their sum will be equal to 180 degree. X plus, see, x plus 7x is 9x. sorry, x plus 7x is 8x, 8 plus 2 is 10x, transpose 30 this side, it will become 150, divide by 10, x is 15. So what is P? P is x, 15 degree. Q was 7x plus 30, put here the value of x, that is 15. 7 into 15, clear? Multiply it and then after you add it 135. R is 2x, 2 into 15 is equal to 30 degree. Children, before starting next sum, you should be familiar with exterior angle property. Beta, what is exterior angle property? Exterior angle property states that one exterior angle of the exterior means the angle which is lying outside is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Clear? Sum of interior opposite angles. Now let me state, see beta, in this case angle A is exterior angle of the triangle. So A will be equal to sum of B plus C. B and C both are interior angles and opposite to A. Same way, what will be F? F is equal to B plus A. Same, B plus D, sorry. It is B plus C, D, sorry. So B and D both are interior angles and opposite to F. E is also exterior, so E will be equal to C plus D. Clear? So they are interior and opposite angles. Now next question is based upon this only. This is the figure, children. This figure is given to you and you are asked to show that A is equal to B plus C. What you have to show? A is equal to B plus C. In last 13.3 exercise, you did the properties of parallel lines. You can see here, children, these two are the parallel lines and I marked this angle as 1. Will 1 be equal to C? Yes, they are interior alternate angles. Look here, I separated the figure. 1 will be equal to C, interior alternate. Same thing is written over here. So if 1 is C and angle A, take this triangle now. Angle A is exterior angle of this triangle. So A will be equal to B plus 1. What will be A? A is equal to B plus 1. Same thing I wrote here. A is equal to B plus 1, exterior angle property. So A will be equal to B and now only we proved 1 is equal to C. So replace 1 with C. This is the result what we have to prove. Clear or not? Now after that you are given the values, different values. When B is equal to this or C is equal to this, find A. Same way here values are given, put here and find the unknown angle. Question number 8. 3 angles are in ratio 4:5:6. So in case of ratio we take a variable ourselves. Let the angles be 4x, 5x and 6x. Add all the angles, sum is 180. Clear? So from here we'll get the value of x by taking 15 this side, it is 12. So once you will get the value of x, so angles are 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60 and 12 6s are 72. These are the 3 angles. Question number 9. One angle is 60, remaining 2 are in ratio. So let second be 6x and 4x. Add all the angles. Since 60 is constant, so shift it that side. 160, 180 minus, it will be what? 60 degree. So 180 minus 60 is what? 120 degree. So from here x is equal to 12 and you can find value of second and third angle by putting the value of x here. 6 into 12 and 4 into 12. Next question. One angle of triangle is 61 and the other two are in this ratio. Mixed fraction is given. 3 1s are 3 plus 1. It is what? 4 by 3. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. One is 3 by 2x and one is 4 by 3x. So put here 61, you can transpose that side. When you subtract it, it is 119. 6 will multiply with 119. Take 17 over here. 17 and 119 will get cancelled. 7 6 are 42. So what is the value of x? 42. So angles are, one was 3 by 2x, put here. 42 and 2 will get cancelled. Your answer is 3 into 21, 63. And third angle is 4 by 3x. Value of x is 42. 42 and 3 will get cancelled with 14. 14 4s are 56 is your answer. Children, you can see now 11th question. This is exterior angle. So 110 will be equal to x plus 30. Exterior angle property, you can find the value of x. Same way, 120 is equal to 60 plus y. Exterior angle property, you can find the value of y. And third is 122 is exterior angle lying outside the triangle. It will be equal to k plus 30. So these are the solutions. See? Clear? So x how we can find? By transpose 30 this side it is 80 degree. Same way y how we can find? Transpose 60 this side it is 60 degree. And how we can find k? By transpose 30 this side it will be 92 degree. Same way here 135 is equal to a plus 3. Easily you can find a. Clear? Next question. Now look here children. You have to find a, b and c. Clear? So first of all how to find a, b and c. See what kind of angles they are. C and 140 they are forming linear pair. Clear? So from here C plus 140 is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair. So from here children C is 40 degree. If you transpose 140 that side it is 40 degree. Same way B plus 60. B plus 60 is equal to 180. This is also linear pair. Clear? So from here B is equal to 180 minus 60, 120 degree. B is what? 120 degree. Clear? Now you got B also, you got C also. Now which angle is left to find out? You have to find A. That easily you can find out by adding the angles A plus 60 plus C, or 140 is equal to A plus 60. Any way you can find this angle. Now sixth part of the question is, look here. Sixth part is 112 and x forms linear pair. Clear? So 112 and x forms linear pair. I got the value of x. Now we are left to find y. Look here children. 112 is equal to y plus 63 degree exterior angle property. Clear? So I wrote here 112 is equal to y plus 63. It is compulsory to mention the property exterior angle property. So from here easily you can find the value of y also. Now in the seventh part this is exterior angle. This is equal to sum of these two. Clear? So this is the exterior angle. In the seventh part 111 exterior angle. One angle is this and one is this. 2x plus x will make 3x. 16 plus 8 is 24. So from here 3x is equal to transpose 24 this side. X is equal to 29. Clear? X is equal to 29 degree. Now in the next question you can see here both these are exterior angles. These two are exterior angles. So in this case what we'll do? Let this angle be x. Let the angle be x. What is sum of 4m and x is equal to 180. They are forming linear pair. 4m plus x is linear pair. So from here I got the value of x in terms of m. Why I did so children? Because we need to find the value of 3m or 4n. Now this angle will be equal to this plus this. But this angle we were not having. So I found this angle using linear pair. So this is equal to 100 plus x. X we got now only. That is 180 minus 4n. Now I am going to write 3m is equal to 100 plus x. Look here. 3m is equal to 100 plus x. Clear? X we got. What was x? It is x was 180 minus 4m. It was 180 minus 4m. Cut it. So transpose 4m that side. It will be 3m plus 4m. 180 plus 100 will become 280. 7m is equal to 280 and m is equal to 40. So what are the angles? 4m and 3m. 4 into 40 is 160. 3m is 3 into 40 is 120 degree. So same way last part of the question is left. How to do? This is exterior angle. This is also exterior. This will be equal to sum of this and this angle. And this angle we don't have. But you can find this angle by linear pair. 180 minus 105. Subtract it. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here comes 7. 75 degree. So now we can write 2x is equal to 75 plus x. Exterior angle property. So children 2x minus x is equal to 75. X is equal to 75 degree. With this your first exercise is over. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.